Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you a quick trick to make lighting your scenes way faster in Blender. Let's say you're making a product render. For example, here we have an espresso machine. I have this object here in the center, and a couple of lights around it. Normally I'd have to rotate each light manually to aim at the product. This is time consuming and usually very messy. Here's the shortcut. First select all your lights. Hover your mouse over the product and press Shift+T. Instantly, every light points directly at the product. This is perfect for product renders, where you need several lights focused on the same subject. This shortcut can give you results that are super fast and super clean. Now, let's do it again, but doing each light one by one. For that, I will press Ctrl+Z to undo everything. I will first select this backlight, then I will press Shift+T. Now let's adjust the backlight on a nice spot. And we can do the same on the next two lights. I will select this front light, press Shift+T, and decide a place to light my product to make it look more interesting. Lastly, I will do the same for this third light. Press Shift+T, and select where do I need my last light. As you can see, you can use this shortcut to instantly direct all lights to one point, as we did at the beginning of this video. Or you can use this shortcut to adjust each individual light on a faster way. This will be all for today's video. Try this in your next product render and see how much time you save. Remember to subscribe to my channel, to leave a comment and a like. See you on the next tutorial. Hey friends, before you go, I've got something special for you. I created a PDF called Plus 100 Blender Pro Tips for your daily practice. It's packed with shortcuts, tricks, and hidden features that make Blender easier, faster, and honestly, way more fun. And the best part? It's always updated to the latest Blender version, and you get lifetime access with just one purchase. That's right. Buy once, enjoy forever. So go ahead, check the link in the description and grab your copy from my Gumroad page. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next tutorial.